Hey guys, look what we got today, the Tomzon D15 mini drone. And I will tell you, I don't think I've ever had a bad Tomzon drone. They always seem to fly really good. This one has a camera, long flight time, adjustable speed, headless mode, and 3D flips. So let's get it out of the box. So out of the box, even this little drone has a nice little case to it. And it actually has a really nice feel to it. Boom, there it is right there. There's the drone, there's the controller, there's the bag of stuff, and there's the manual. The manual is pretty thick, okay? It's not that complicated, but they give you a lot of info. Here's a little overlay for the controller, which I think is pretty cool. Right? There's a, you put the phone in there, all the normal stuff. Nothing complicated. Here's the drone itself, which I think actually looks pretty cool. We're going to open that up. It's got these long arms. Look at that. Let me move that out of the way so you can see it on the white background. Look how big the feet are on that thing. There's the camera right there. Okay. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Let's turn it on, right? There it goes. It's turned on. Okay, so it bound itself. I didn't have to do any binding or anything. There's the level calibration. There's to start the motors. Starting the motors was down and in. The level calibration was down and out. So now we're just going to let it sit there and cook for a minute until it can cook up some Wi-Fi signal so we can look at the app. And the app is going to be called Tomzon 5 up there. See it, Tomzon V right there. So let's go to the Wi-Fi setting. Here it is, Tomzon D15. That's the Wi-Fi name. It'll say Tomzon D15. See it up there. See that? Tomzon D15. Then we will go to the app. Gives you a little option there for what drone it is. I guess that app uses multiple drones. It uses the D28, the D35, and the D15. We're going to connect to the D15. And there it goes. It says when flying outdoors, please use high speed and keep it within sight, which is what we always do. And if you go to the controller, you'll see on the controller right there, that's for the flips and that's for the rates. So it has the 3 rates, which is going to be good because I can almost guarantee you this thing is going to fly good with them 3 rates, okay? Because I've had quite a few Tomzon quadcopters. I had even those little surfer dude quadcopters. You remember them things with the fake motorcycle guy and all that? Those were all Tomzon products. And those things all flew great. I mean, they all were fantastic flyers. So let's go out and fly this thing. Wi-Fi, we're looking at Tomzon D15. And I will put some video in there. It all depends on how the video looks, right guys? If the video looks good, I'll sync it into the video. If the video looks kind of shaky, I'll just put it at the end, okay? We'll do the level calibration and we'll take off here. Let me get the trim out of it. Okay. It's a little wonky, to be honest. Let me start some video up. It's got some lag in the controls, for one thing. That's one thing I'm not liking. Here comes that bird again. Every time I show up here, this bird shows up. Unless he's always here, right? So, I don't know that. There's a flip for you. See, when you hit the buttons, it doesn't always, the input is not real crisp on this thing. I can tell you that right now. Wow. A lot of lag in here. I wonder if that has something to do with the Wi-Fi. So, you know, we got that extra battery, so we might, you know, try it without that Wi-Fi, or we'll just shut this video off and see if that has something to do with it. Because, you know, that does have a lot to do with these cheap drones, okay? This Wi-Fi lag will cause all kinds of, so the Wi-Fi signal will interrupt the RC signal for the, wow. Okay, so I think we got enough of the video. Let me pull it out here just to get a little, you see, since I did that, look at that drifting that it's doing. Since I did the flip, see that? The flips, they throw the, those flips throw the, wow. Let me land it up here real quick. Well, the land button's not working. I'm hitting it, see? It's not doing anything. I'll just land it by hand. Okay, so let's stop the video. So we got 2 minutes of video to stick at the end there. So let's do that. So I'm going to shut this off. Let me shut Wi-Fi off on my other phone. See, the takeoff button doesn't work at all. The takeoff or land button. That's kind of weird, right? Completely different. Right, guys? Completely different without the Wi-Fi. No lag. Steering crisp as hell. So, yeah, you know, these... You'd think they would test this stuff. You know what I mean? They would test this stuff in advance. What a great flyer this is going to be without the Wi-Fi on and without the camera. Look at this thing. See, this is the way these Tomzon drones always used to fly. Like this. This is the way they're supposed to fly. Tomzon! So we'll put the little 2 minutes of video at the back of the screen there, and you'll be able to see it. But without the Wi-Fi, it's phenomenal, just like all Tomzon drones are. With the Wi-Fi on, it's crapola. Wow, how great is this thing? You know, I'll put the little timer in there to give us the flight time on the battery. Because I just charged this battery before I left the house, so it's fresh charge. 100%. I actually am out here a little later than I wanted to be because I let it charge to 100%. So, yay! Phenomenal drone. I wonder what the story is with the. I wonder what the, get out of here. I wonder what the, there's that bird, there he is right there. That's that same damn bird that's been bugging me all week. I've been out here all week shooting videos, right? And that sucker's been out here all week pestering me. Let me do another flip so I can throw the trim off again. I don't know why flips, if anybody knows, I don't know why flips throw the trim off on your quadcopter. I have no idea why that does that, but it does it. This thing is amazing, guys. I mean, this thing, backyard flyer extraordinaire, right? Okay, this is what it's all about right here. This Tomzon is amazing. And the flight time seems to be going pretty good here. I think I'm probably at least, I would say we are at least at 5 minutes. And then look how stable it is, right? Wow, it's a really nice little quadcopter, guys. You know, forget the camera, who cares? You know, the video on these things is garbage anyway. You know, they're all crap, okay? Show me a toy quadcopter that has good video. I'm still waiting. It's been 9 years of doing this. I'm still waiting for a toy quadcopter to have good video. You know. Those old Brownie cameras, them old Kodak Brownies from the 60s and 50s have better picture image quality than these things, okay? Okay, here goes. It is dying. Yeah, this Tomzon is, yeah, wow. I wonder if the emergency stop button would work. That don't even work. That doesn't even work. So let me land it again. Yeah, that time I didn't tear up my fingers like I did the other time. So, yeah, guys, this thing is great, man. The Tomzon D15, a gigantic winner, right? Winner, chicken dinner. Wow. Incredible drone. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.